Eden's Forest is done. So this will be the last car that gets built, created, however you want to put it, at this house. Typical Subaru drivers. There's Shannon's car, looking good. And there's the 33, and that's Zach's car. So, we are moving places. Some of you will know that. And if you don't, now you do. We'll be doing everything in a different location. I don't know if we'll be at the same location on everything we do, or it'll be all split up, because we used to do everything here just because we had the big yard, and you know, but the owner of the house recently sold it, and now we're moving out. Either way, well, hence the so yeah, that's my I know I shouldn't have a reason, but that is my reason why I haven't been editing, uploading more content. Sadly. But once I move, I'll have a better setup, and I'll use a better camera, because I feel like using my phone isn't working that great. It's like the emptiest the shed has ever been. So, we are moving, but you know, these things happen, and you know, that's the whole, you know, bigger and better. It'd be awesome to, you know, one day have our own shed, garage. Oh, enjoyed this house. There's always going to be memories of all the cars we built, and all the stupid shit we've done. We've done a lot of stupid shit, and yeah, I do apologize for like not uploading that much lately, and yeah, but once all this is all done, get these cars to the new locations, it'll be a lot better, and I'll focus more on that.
Is it not starting? man, dude.